In 1823, the United States issued the Monroe Doctrine, a warning to Europe not to establish new colonies in the Americas. It seemed like an arrogant move from a young and militarily weak nation, and yet, surprisingly, the major European powers took the warning seriously. As South American colonies won independence, Spain's King Ferdinand VII wanted to reclaim them, but Spain was unstable. Many citizens demanded liberal reforms, and the monarchy sought foreign support. European powers, fearful of revolutionary ideals returning, allowed France to intervene and restore Ferdinand's absolute rule. He then looked west, toward the Americas. The United States preferred dealing with the new republics of Latin America over European empires. When Britain proposed a joint declaration, the U.S. declined, choosing to act alone. Still, it was Britain's powerful navy that actually made sure no European empire returned. The British wanted trade with the newly independent nations. Despite the doctrine, Europe kept testing boundaries. Britain seized the Falkland Islands, France and Britain blockaded Argentina, and Russia expanded into Alaska. The U.S. stayed silent, either because these actions didn't threaten their interests or because they simply couldn't respond. When France invaded Mexico during the U.S. Civil War, America was too busy to react. After the Civil War, the U.S. returned stronger than ever. It threatened war if France didn't withdraw from Mexico, and they backed it up. In 1895, the U.S. intervened in a border dispute between Venezuela and Britain, imposing itself as the regional arbitrator. The Monroe Doctrine was no longer just a warning. It was now an instrument of American power, and Europe had no choice but to respect it. If you enjoyed this short and want more bite-sized history that actually makes sense, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to History in Short for more fast, powerful stories from the past.